contextualizing that with the human expert to go in and say, I mean, because we're still the most intelligent being that we know, right? So at least from a generally intelligent being, right? So unless until that changes, I mean, you still have to revolve around that human brain and the human, construct to go to. I mean, that's my belief system. I'm also biased on that, right?
No, no,
So,
I agree with you. So I didn't mention that there is a third branch of that AI. So I talked about artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence,
general,
and there's artificial super intelligence. So this is where you get Skynet, right? Where
yep,
you have a system that gets even smarter than. So not only it's kind of mimicking what the humans can do in every aspect, but actually gets smarter than that. So I think that, and then of course we're nowhere close to that, right? But a lot of people worry that the trajectory we are on, where we are making, so it was one thing to have a chess playing robot, it's another thing to have a system that you trust to give you all this, so like a digital therapist, right?
hmm
That's it. and
yeah,
and there are cases where a GPT-3 based model, you're having conversation and say, I'm thinking of killing myself, do you think it's a good idea? And the model says, I think it's a good idea, right? And so we need to know that, like, we're not there yet to deploy a model doing a mental health, diagnosing mental health and actually providing kind of a prescription, a diagnosis, for these things. And then, that trajectory, if you continue down, then that super intelligence where we would rather trust an AI system than a mental health care professional, for doing this.
yeah.
So
Yeah, no, I think I thought only Nick Bostrom believed in that, but it's a possibility. That's a spectrum, right? So, Chirag,